Here's Executive Chef Tim Smith with a yummy summer salad.
Today we're going to make a raw shaved Brussels sprout salad. So here I have some raw shaved Brussels sprouts. The best way to shave them is to take off the bottom of the Brussels sprout, and you can use a food processor or a RoboCoupe with a grater attachment and just shave them so they have these fine shavings of Brussels sprouts. Also in the salad I'm going to have a maple balsamic vinaigrette. Add that. I have some crumbly blue cheese. I have some spiced nuts we're going to put in there. I have some dried craisins. And then I have some crispy shallots as well. So that's everything that's going to go in the salad. We're going to mix that around so the dressing gets in there.
Tim, how do you make the dressing?
The dressing is it's maple balsamic dressing. So it's maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. And you just emulsify with a stick blender or in a food processor, or even by hand with a whisk. You just emulsify the three ingredients together. So here's my salad, and then for a little extra crunch, we're going to add some fresh sliced pear on top. And here we have a raw shaved Brussels sprout salad with craisins, spice nuts, blue cheese crumbles, crispy shallots, and crispy pear slices.